Hey, what's good, everybody? Good news and bad news, bruh. Good news is the module didn't have to be replaced. Let me put my seatbelt on real quick. I might have some little clips I might put in there here and there of me like bucking with my car and shit. So I low-key record it sideways, and well, y'all gonna see. If I put it in there, y'all gonna see. It's a little wire that connects to the adaptive cruise control thing. That's why that shit's on. And my headlight, when it says left turn signal is off, I'm guessing because the headlights are off of like a newer car. It's off of like a brand new Hellcat, or like a newer, at least like a 2020 Hellcat, maybe like 2018 to 2020, around there. They have different modules. Mine's a 15, so yeah. Bullshit, you know. Good thing is, I'm gonna start that cruise control thing, get my money back. The headlight, I'm gonna have to buy a new one. That's for my year. And I put the fucking grill in. The check engine light's on. That's another easy little fix. I got a fucking bucket list. I got a fucking handful of things I got fixed on my car. They're all easy. None of these would have been broken if that dumb motherfucker didn't blow the red light. But it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? See that? That's because the headlight's a lot newer, and I guess my car doesn't know how to read it right or whatever. I don't know. Some shit like that. I fixed my fog light because it was disconnected. Hopefully it stays connected because the little clip thing broke. If it pops out again, I'm gonna just use the fucking, I don't know, duct tape. I don't know, this electrical wire tape. Keep it connected. I don't know, some ghetto shit. But it's 1 in the afternoon. It's fucking Sunday. I don't feel like doing shit no more. I'm gonna show y'all how the car looks in a bit. It's a little dirty right now. Maybe I'll watch it later. I'll see what's up. Right now. But y'all give me a quick little second, bro. Y'all peep this shit. It's all dirty as hell, boy. I put the grill on there, hoe. I got some good news and bad news. Good news is I didn't need that sensor. Bad news is I gotta rewire. I gotta rewire, not rewire, but I gotta replace that little connector that connects to the adaptive cruise control. So yeah, I gotta pull up to Dodge, go get that. And I'm gonna replace the headlight, right? Because the one I got is too new for my car, and the module be tripping. That's why it says the signal light don't work. But right now we finna go wash my car real quick. I'm gonna wash my car real quick and goddamn. The check engine light's on because I guess it's not that one sensor, it's something else, something small too. I'm gonna fix that too. A whole bunch of small shit. And I gotta go pump gas. So I'm about to go do that right now. Shit, I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a bit. Yeah, hold up.
Niggas like I got a cheat code. Yeah, that little nigga in beast mode. The dope boy, that was my hero. Your bitch ain't nothing but a freak hoe. Do what I want, a nigga, like I got a cheat code. That bitch ain't nothing but a freak hoe. What she saying me?
Got my car washed real quick. Before you know, my homeboy pulled up with his SS, bro. Nah, boy. Shit, we about to go take some pictures real quick. I'll cut y'all back on in a bit. Just give me a quick little second, bro. Y'all check that out. they goddamn traffic. We taking the goddamn streets, boy. I ain't gonna lie to you, bruh. I completely forgot it was traffic hour. That shit fucked me up. No cap. But we in the hood with it, bruh. Nah, I'm saying, bruh. SRT and SRT action with the SS in the back. It looks something different. By the time we got something we got nothing but naturally aspirated, no turbo, no supercharged. Tired of being gapped all the time by them turbos and superchargers, bro. I'm gonna get under level pretty soon though. No cap. But what's it called? Yeah, bro. We gonna be going slow right next to the traffic. Give me a little quick second, bro. Shit, I know I should have rolled out the window, but it feels too good outside, bro. No cap. Feels good. No cap, bruh. This is the ghetto part of downtown where everybody likes to go party. Nah, I'm saying, cuh. Ain't gonna lie to you, it's kind of a little far drive. It's all the way on the other side, boy. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, this shit hard as hell, boy. We took a couple pictures. There's cops up there, bro, but we got out of there real quick. Real quick, boy. It's getting dark. There's a cop up there with a big ass camera. I don't know what he was doing. Boy, we took a couple pictures, bro, and we out of here. That's all we needed to do, boy. I'm gonna let him drive my shit around the corner so he could get a little feel for the difference on these hoes. Let's go. Gotta check the Gen ID badge. So you wouldn't even know it's SRT. You know the shit. But yeah, I'm gonna let him drive it so he can get a little feel for this joint right here. Ain't feel lie to you, bro. It got dark quick as hell. But we finna pull up somewhere where he gonna feel safe leaving the hole real quick, so he don't get jacked. You know what I'm saying? Still an SRT.